Hello learners! It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about what happens when air is heated or cooled. What do you think happens when air is heated? Pause and discuss with your classmates. How about when air is cooled? What do you think will happen? Well,
let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a large bowl filled with hot water, a large bowl filled with cold water, an empty plastic bottle and a balloon. To set up, fit the balloon over the neck of the bottle. Now, we are ready. Let's start by placing the bottle into the bowl of hot water. Observe what happens to the balloon. Pause and record your observations.
The balloon grew and became bigger.
Yes! When the bottle is placed in the bowl of hot water, air in the bottle is heated. This causes the air in the bottle to expand and fill up a bigger space, making the balloon bigger.
Is this the same for when the bottle is in cold water?
Let's see. Pause and record your observations.
Whoa! The balloon shrank and became smaller.
That's right! When the bottle is placed in the bowl of cold water, air in the bottle is cooled. This causes the air to contract and fill up a smaller space, making the balloon smaller. So class, what did we learn today?
When air is heated, it expands.
Meanwhile, when air is cooled, it contracts.
Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.